विसा उपरांत येवकार. मायनिंग संदर्भांतल्या थारावा खातीर मुरगांव बंदराचेर परिणाम जातलो. राज्य सरकारान राज्यांत मायनिंग उरपाक सहकार्य करपाची गरज आसा म्हण वास्कोचे आमदार कार्लोस आल्मेदा उलयल्या. आरडेक्स्को खातीर पर्वरीच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर कॅन्झल रॉड्रिगीस.
Vasco and Murugao area is actually badly affected. Amche Vasco, we have got like ship agents, exporters, teleclerks, launch owners, barge owners, ship chandlers. We have got so many ancillary units. आणि या आता मायनिंग समज बंद झाले जाल्यार फ्रॉम 15th आमकां वास्को त्रास जातले. आमी आतां अपील करता गव्हर्मेंटाकडे की May 31st देखून एक्सटेंड करचे म्हणून. फाल्यां आमी अपॉइंटमेंट घेतला विथ द गव्हर्नर एट 12:30. We will also appeal to the governor and the core committee आमची that is Sudan Davlikar, Vijay and आमचे Francis D'Souza. आम्ही त्यांना अप्रोच केला की government has to decide and government support करपा जाय. One way either by filing a review petition or say approaching the centers for help.
आज निलेशान एक म्हटला की इट इज नॉट ओन्ली पयलींचे ऑर्डिनन्स अमेंडमेंट पूण ऑर्डिनन्सूय जाय जाल्यार पार्लमेंटान हाडचे आनी ताका लागून एवरीबडी हॅज टू गेट टुगेदर so that it can at least for 4 years, next 4 years it can work. What is your say?
See, ordinance when the parliament is in session, ordinance will not be taken out. It has to go as a bill. But this bill has to be supported by all the other parties. So even I am appealing to the leader of the opposition in Goa to that his party should support us there, per center, and some corrective measures or like some step has to be taken. In 2012, when the mining was stopped, people had some money, so that they could sustain for few years. आता लोकांनी आपापले धंदो रिपेअर केला, ट्रकवाल्यांनी, बार्जीकारांनी, शिप चॅनलर्स and see all the other agents, and see they will not be able to survive now. I think Vasco will be a total disaster. सगळे म्हणतात की मायनिंग एरिया आमचे वास्को थ्रू मोरमुगांव we have got four constituencies. आमकां BJP दिले ती आणि एक आम्ही सगळे 4 आमदार एकठांय आसतले and see Vasco will be very badly affected. We have got MPT, we have got barge owners, we have got launch owners, we have got ship chandlers, we have got stewardess, we have got teleclerks. So like all will be affected in that.